Good afternoon, everybody. I just ended my Tuesday, Thursday class, and I didn't talk to either class about the quiz, which is tomorrow on Friday. Regardless of whether you're in the Monday, Wednesday class or Tuesday, Thursday class, you all have the quiz due tomorrow. I've got my screen in student mode, so hopefully this will look exactly like you see tomorrow, or if you use a late pass Saturday or Sunday. When you go to do the quiz, you are going to see this screen, which basically gives you the 90 minutes. It should be lots and lots and lots and lots of time for the exam. Plenty of time for the exam. It is the expectation you're working alone on these. And I say quiz, I really mean this is quizzes have a time limit of 90 minutes. This is always the password. Math is fun. It comes up right here, and that's literally exactly what you see is what you have to type in there. So once you open that, it'll give you this warning that whether you're ready to start the quiz, and a clock will start. You can't pause it. It's 90 minutes. If you have an accommodation for extra time, like double time would give you 180 minutes or 3 full hours. Part of the reason you have all this time to do, I'll show you the quiz really fast. You'll see it's not going to show you the details. It's going to give different questions and different orders for people, but there's 14 questions. Say I just jump to a random question. Based on this thing, find f of 3, very similar to homework questions. So if you want to study for this exam, just study your homeworks, regenerate problems again and again until you do. They all have this add work button. And notice you can attach a file, you can attach an image. Part of the reason you have so much time on this is so you can provide work when you need to. In this case, I'm going to say f of 3 is 4. And I'm going to say when f of x is 3, x is 2. Okay. So by default, I recommend you just submit the question. You actually see that you got full credit for that question. If you got full credit for the question, there's no need to provide any written work. It's not to prove that you worked on it. This didn't require any written work. But if you lose points on a question and you attach work, I will look at your work and see if I can give you partial credit for that. WAMAP will just give you, by default, 2 points for this question, 2 points for this question, and 0 points if you miss them. So I can go in and decide to give you 1 point or 1.5 points for each of these. So you could get up to probably 3 points if you showed your work and I saw, a lot of good thinking and movement towards the right thing. So anyway, that's the quiz. Best of luck to you. It's due tomorrow night, but you could use up to 2 late passes and push it to Sunday. Good luck. I hope you feel better about it after seeing this.